Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add an MX record in Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. To add an MX record or mail exchange record in Wix for setting up email services such as Google Workspace or any other custom email servers, follow these steps. So the first step is logging in to your Wix account. Then go to Domain Settings. From your Wix dashboard, click on Settings in the left-hand menu. Under Settings, click on Domains or go to Manage Domains. Select the domain. If you have more than one domain, select the domain for which you want to add the MX record. Exit the DNS settings. Scroll down to the DNS settings section on the domain settings page. Click on Manage DNS records. Add an MX record. In the DNS records section, click the Add Record button. From the record type dropdown, select MX. Enter the MX record details. You will need to enter the following information. Host name. This is typically set as @ to apply the record to the root domain. Point 2. The mail server address. Priority. This indicates the order in which mail servers should be used. TTL or time to live. You can usually leave this as default unless your email provider specifies otherwise. Add multiple MX records if required. If your email service provider provides multiple MX records, repeat the process to add additional MX records with the different priority level. After that, save the MX records and wait for the propagation. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.